Don't go thinking that your end-to-end tests absolutely need to be UI focused. They don't always need to be with Cypress or Playwright or Selenium or whatever tool you're using. End-to-end represents a user journey going from start to finish, a user goal where the user wants to achieve some goal. They'll interact with the system at different points and they'll get their outcome. Now, at each point along that journey, you may want to show how the user is interacting with the UI. Or that may be stable and tested and well understood, and you may be able to just go straight to the API or service layers to make your tests faster and more reliable. So don't go thinking that everything needs to be through the UI every time, because that will just slow you down, slow down your tests, slow down your test execution, slow down the test writing process, and make things harder for yourself. Instead, think about what is the most practical way you can test a particular interaction at each stage of the process, and then make that happen.